So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can download the free 3D models for the 3ds Max software. Obviously the file formats that are supported in this particular software, you can download the 3D models for that file format only. So in order to download the free 3D models for the 3ds Max software, you need to first open a website on any browser you have. For example, if I open a website on my Chrome browser, here you need to search the free 3D model. When you search this, the first website which opens, which says 3D model for free, this provide the 3D models for free. I just simply click on this website, and when I click here, you're gonna see the multiple file formats are available for you, and here you're gonna see this word, this says 3ds Max models. Just simply click there. Now when you click there, once it get load, now all these models are available in the file version of 3ds Max software. You can download any of them. For example, if I want to download this free version of Iron Man, I just simply click there, and from here you're gonna see the free model that are available to download for the Iron Man. I just simply hit this download button, and here this says .max, which is the 3ds Max file format. Just simply click there and the downloading has been started. So by this method you can easily download the free 3ds model 3ds Max software models. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.